Building a scale model of the solar system is a fantastic way to visualize the vast distances and relative sizes of celestial objects in our cosmic neighborhood. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to create your own scale model. Planning your model. Scale selection. Decide on a suitable scale for your model. A common scale is 1/10 billion, where each centimeter in your model represents 10 million kilometers in reality. This scale allows you to fit the entire solar system into a manageable space. Materials. Gather materials such as different-sized balls, representing planets, string or wire, for orbits, and a large outdoor space or room, depending on the scale. Building the model. Choose a starting point. Select a location for your sun in the model. For simplicity, you can use a large ball, like a beach ball, or a globe painted yellow to represent the sun. Calculate planet sizes. Determine the sizes of the planets relative to the sun using your chosen scale. For instance, Earth would be about 1.3 centimeters in diameter, scaled down from its actual diameter of about 12,742 kilometers. Place the planets. Using smaller balls or objects of appropriate sizes, place each planet at its scaled distance from the sun. For example, Mercury would be closest to the Sun, about 58 million kilometers or 5.8 centimeters in your model, followed by Venus, Earth, and so on. Mark orbital paths. Use string or wire to mark the orbital paths of each planet around the Sun. Attach one end of the string to the Sun, or a stake representing the Sun, and extend it out to the orbit of each planet. Ensure the lengths are scaled correctly. Adding moons and asteroids. Include moons. For planets with moons, like Earth and Jupiter, you can add smaller objects or beads hanging from the planet's position in the model to represent their moons. Scale these down accordingly. Include asteroids and comets. If desired, mark the approximate locations of asteroids and comets within the asteroid belt and Kuiper belt using smaller objects or markers along the appropriate orbital paths. Display and explanation. Display your model. Once completed, place your scale model in a suitable location where people can view it easily. Outdoors is ideal if space permits, but indoors can work for smaller scales. Educational signage. Provide educational signage explaining the scale of your model, the distances and sizes of the planets, and interesting facts about each celestial body represented. Tips for success. Accuracy. Double-check your measurements and calculations to ensure accuracy in scale representation. Use online resources or astronomy books for precise planetary sizes and orbital distances. Creativity. Feel free to get creative with your materials and presentation. Painted styrofoam balls, LEDs for planets with rings or atmospheres, and other embellishments can enhance visual appeal. Conclusion. Building a scale model of the solar system is both educational and awe-inspiring, offering a tangible way to grasp the vastness and complexity of our cosmic neighborhood. Whether for personal enjoyment, educational purposes, or public outreach, your scale model will serve as a captivating tool for exploring the wonders of space and our place within it.